Understanding Public Vote, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an important phrase in English, public vote. This term is widely used in contexts like politics, social issues, and even entertainment. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dive in. Public vote is a compound noun made of two words, public and vote. Public. This word refers to ordinary people in general, not just a specific group. Vote. This is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means a choice expressed collectively by a group of people or individually. When combined, public vote refers to a voting process where the general population, or a segment of it, expresses their choice or opinion, usually through a formal system like ballots or electronic voting. 1. Political elections. Here, public vote is the cornerstone. It's how people choose their leaders or decide on important issues. 2. Television shows. In some talent or reality shows, viewers cast their public vote to support their favorite contestants. 3. Public polls and surveys. Organizations often conduct polls where the public can vote on various topics, from social issues to consumer preferences. 4. Referendums. These are special types of public votes, where people decide on a specific political or legal issue. Let's put public vote into some sentences. 1. The new environmental law will be decided by a public vote next month. 2. The singer won the competition by securing the highest public vote. 3. Our city's policy changes are often influenced by the results of a public vote. That's all about public vote. I hope this video helped clarify what it means and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, understanding phrases like this is a great step in mastering English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.